All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So we are going to quickly run this program without wasting much time because of the time. Yeah, because in less than 1 hour, okay, fundraising will start at 1 hour plus. So let's just see how many minutes we are going to spend on this. Yesterday, somebody called my attention on Lazuba. You know, I told you I don't want to talk about it again, right? But because of this recent issue, because of the recent activity going on, the issue of protesting in Finland, and of course, what IFAI is doing. You know, many of you know IFAI, right? IFAI, who is working with Mazakwa, and he bragged that without him, nobody will see PM. Many of you know this story. So because of that, that's why I have to bring this video of Lazuba. Because Lazuba, we reacted on video of Mazakwa here. So we said something about Mazakwa yesterday. So yesterday, Lazuba, played the same video on his program, her program rather, and what she said there is the reason why I want to make this quick reaction to that. So I wanted to record it, but if I record it, it's going to take much time. So I prefer not to record it. Let me just go live now before the fundraising. And one more time, I just want to remind you, my voice may not be as you used to be, so just maybe you can hide the volume of your phone or your laptop, the device that you are using, so that you can hear me very well. Now, please, if you come across the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yes, like I told you, this video is not going to be like a normal live broadcast because I have to utilize the little time we have now very, very, very well before the fundraising kick on. So please don't forget to put your comments. If you join us, put a comment so that we know that you are here. I may not have time to read comments, but if people that comment, first commentators or just any commentators, I will appreciate you. That's why you need to drop your comments. If you're going to watch later, please like the video and share it so that people will know what Lazuba said about Mazakwa. So having said that, let's go to the program because I'm going to share the screen. I don't have time to download the video, meaning that I'm going to present it to you by playing it direct from her platform. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are new to us, please subscribe. So here is the video. Here is the video. Let me take this one down for this one to come up. Now, listen. Let's hear what Lazuba said here. Okay? There we go.
Why I want to say anything about this issue is about
okay, let me go back a little bit.
Stop deceiving yourself and your family and your generation. How many days in la hono ya ibra pula? Only how many days in la hono ibra pula?
Just a moment. Let her start from here. I don't want to miss the part where she commenced. Okay.
Shame on you. Oh, the mother gay on you, where you neighbor, or can I tell where your mother animated them? Only ever to the matter, or one on you, neighbor, half nature. Only we one other man, from Yak and Yake. Don't boy, Joala, or can I take on it and the other with other man? Or one hour, 1 hour. Share it. Okay, to put it. Oh, didn't that? I'm going to get out and work together. If this money is shameless, it's not a social media, call me show my wrong. Goes all of this document, which document? Which document? Which document? That goes all of this. Can I go all of this? Which is that document, yeah? Can you remember one of their own embassy? 20 embassy yet. Or put them when the government. Try the government, yeah. Because all of this is going to command the Finland embassy, which is 4 million naira. They will take the happen this man. Say this man will see you.
All right. We have Franklin Wodo. There, I greet you, Franklin. Olive also. There, these are two people that made comments so far. I appreciate you. So I don't know what she's talking here, but I think somebody made a video, telling people to support the USB government, that DPM is the right source and that she's following the right track and everything. It didn't go that well with that. That's why she's ranting. But there's something she said here about Finland embassy. This nonsense comes from Caterpillar. Okay, Caterpillar is the one that made that comment. I don't blame Caterpillar. I don't blame anybody. DPM made that as a mistake. We all know that. Like bringing Caterpillar to the government. I said it when I heard the news that I don't support it. Right? I made it clear. Not because I know Caterpillar. I don't know Caterpillar. But look at how the whole thing has ended. I thank God that it don't even end in a very bad way. It's just this kind of gossip that doesn't hold any water. So Caterpillar can frame anything and say anything. Caterpillar is a handbag of Kenguru. He is not for Biafra. You can tell that. But I'm not here to talk about it. That's just by God. But Lazuba, who claimed that she's against Caterpillar, but he's using what Caterpillar is saying to justify her point. The same Lazuba is also using what Ibekodike said to justify her point. What does that tell you? They are all in the same ship. When Lazuba presented a video or picture of where she said that BLA are drinking Gary or ESN were soaking Gary, the person that sent that video to her is Caterpillar. Caterpillar said it in one of his videos in the past. So all this nonsense is something that people need to, observe and, of course, mark it. Don't just overlook it because it's going to replay again. If you allow it, something like that will still come up in the future. I'm not making that as a wish, but I'm saying it based on what has happened in the past. So let's continue because I'm not here to talk about Caterpillar or anybody. I want to react on what Mazakwa, the madman in Italy, what he said, by what mad woman in France said about madman in Italy. So hear them.
I'm going to need the bunk here. I'm going to need the bunk here.
And I call it if you need the bunk. There's no need the bunk even. Oliver also. And BC Labor. Celebo. BC Labor. I hope that's your name. I greet you. Say my brother. Good day to you. Please don't forget to like the video. Now let's listen to this one.
That the person who is in charge if I comment, quickly make your contribution before I close the camera. Why I want to say anything about this issue is about this thing that Ngozo Rabezi wrote. Okay. Do you understand? What is it called? Biafra United used it and doing the program yesterday. I listened to the program today. Okay.
Isoma Elizabeth, I greet you. Good evening, Masakai. How is my family doing? We bless God, my sister. How's yours?
Where I am coming in these days.
How's your family? I hope all is well with you.
Right now, I said in his own mouth that he will say nothing but the truth. I said, okay, let me listen to the truth. Because when I'm listening to his program, I will be forwarding it to big points. Now he said that he has to say the truth. That the truth is that that the person who is
They
in
were,
charge
my sister.
of anybody coming to visit Simon Ekpa is Imam Madabu. If you are coming from abroad, yes, from any country of this world, go and visit the Prime Minister, that you must go through Imam Madabu. Yes. But if anybody want to visit Simon Ekpa from Finland, then you must go through this man that's in Gosara Basin. Share the picture to the father, the same man that our being used and made this Abba, yes, in Finland. Yes. So that you must report to Ifeanyi. Yes. Ifeanyi will report to DM father. Yes. And if you want to come from America, any part of Europe, any part of this world, to come and see DM, yes, you must go to Imam Madabu. The Imam Madabu will send your details to that man, that they will give it to our PM. But let me say this. Let me say this very quickly. Biafrans must know, myself and Biafra Unite, we are working together as far as this protest and this Finland people are concerned. So for you to know how united we are. Shut up!
Okay.
Because your blood is on his you. Number one, that's no one anything was bam. Even on the look bam can you deny? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Protesting with your so-called group of company. Indeed, I don't want to see LC.
What do you do?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Because of the rubbish email, I go get warning came. Warning. However, Biafra Unite. At initial time, Biafra Unite actually done everywhere on him. Just because of we are under Finland, they make the way with them. The way back to just connect your fuck up even on social media.
Okay.
After that, put up on the meeting again. Put it on the meeting.
Okay.
Are you not ashamed of yourself that not at all be capable to organize protest for him?
Okay. Protest organized. All the business check who visited PM and who did not visit PM. This guy, one of the worst human beings I ever have seen. One of the worst human beings I've ever seen. Do you know that this guy, in fact, you are going to hear from Lazubado. Let me just remind you something, because I believe you must have heard the name there, Ifeanyi. There's two Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi in homeland and Ifeanyi in Finland. Now, these two Ifeanyi are working with Masakwa. Not just one of them is more close to Masakwa, like the one from the homeland is actually answerable or loyal, is one of the loyalists of Masakwa. The one in Finland is also in contact with him. You get the point? So sometimes we mistake the which of Ifeanyi is on call. But anytime you hear Ifeanyi, you know that there's two Ifeanyi, one in homeland and one in Finland. Now, Oluchiwa God told us that when he visited Finland, he first applied. He first applied because half of the to see the whole story. Because it also to narrative. He first applied and everything was successful. Then this Ifeanyi in Finland, because they are prognosing to check the files that Finnish government or prison authorities have approved to visit PM. Probably they have seen the contact of Oluchiwa God. They're not called Oluchiwa God. You get the point now. And demand that Oluchiwa God should place a call to Imam Madabu. Oluchua God said no. Why would I do that? They said you have to. He said no. The Ifeanyi could not challenge Oluchua God. What did he do? He now passed the call to the Finnish man called PM Father in Finland. You know that Finnish man, very friendly man. The man then called Oluchua God and said, you have to call Imam Madam. Oluchua God said no. He said that means all the money, the hotels, everything you paid will be in vain because you are not going to see PM. What did Oluchua God say? That's what the threat they always give people. Let's get from the horse's mouth. It's not say I put a call to Oluchua God or why we can. In fact, you know what? I will beg him to have a program with me, just to detail us. I will ask some questions so that it will not sink in your skull. Keyway this information. Why? So that whenever you listen to them, you will know what they're lying and what they're saying. Oluchua God told the man, said, no, I'm not going to call Imam Madam. He said, that means your mother. The man, Oluchua God said, no problem. That he will see, he told him that I will still be in Finland anyway. I will go there, enjoy my time and come back. But instead of to call Imam Madam. So that threat that you are going to lose everything is not holding any water. My question is, why would a Finnish man who regards himself as PM Father would succumb to this kind of cheap lies, knowing fully well that is not true? Oluchua God, did not listen to that. He moved ahead to get it done, to travel to Finland. And when the man realized that the man is not backing up, he's ready to sacrifice that money that everything that he has spent. He's ready to do that. They don't have any other choice than to open up. For them to have access to what Oluchua God is coming for, or what is going to take PM, if I started pretending, decided to become friendly. When Oluchua God landed in Finland, he went there, he picked, he called him up and picked him. Oluchua God don't have any choice than to play along. But they did not bring him. Not that he applied, through their hands. They are the one that forced themselves. And the simple reason why they did that is for them to be able to hear whatever conversation the Oluchua God is going to have with PM. That is exactly what they have been doing with every other person that has visited PM. So Oluchua God traveling to Finland is actually a deliverance for many people. Pure deliverance. Then when Oluchua God met PM asked him why did you not call Imam Madam? He said no. That he told him no. What told him no? PM laughed and said that truly you can actually come without calling him. If you are one of those that are doubting, please tell me that you want to hear more. I will now fix a time and beg Oluchua God to come here. You hear it direct from him. Oluchua God is not age of Mazakwa. Maybe they are the same age because Mazakwa was Watakere. Oluchua God knows about Watakere, but all mature men. People, he don't have any reason to lie. This is someone that has seen it all. Oluchua God has seen it all. Or not an age that believe. You are not paying him. You don't feed him. He's a man of his own. He's not begging you for money. He's not seeking for relevance. So there's no reason for him to lie. There's no reason whatsoever. That is why everybody that knows that respect his or her age, or respect the truth, or love the truth, will always dictate it when he see one. But Imam Madam positioned himself somewhere. And let me remind you that somebody, I don't know if Oluchua God will feel offended if I call his name. Okay. One of USB citizens, that helped that Oluchua God, relates his journey with him and that he's aware. Maybe he's one that led Ifeanyi to call Oluchua God. I don't know. I don't want to go deeper because I don't know that part. But at the end of the day, what happened is that the man whom Oluchua God, one of the USB citizens, Oluchua God have related the whole thing to him, called Papa Simon, the Finnish man and begin to scold him. Say, why must you, somebody in that of like also God, you must call Imam Madam for what? Now, come to think of it, what do you think that made them to position themselves like that? The same Imam Madam that dished out several, questionable memos. The same Imam Madam that converted CRC dissolved to become a government. The same Imam Madam that said that he's not Mahmoud, INEC chairman. The same Imam Madam that chairman of the conflict resolution committee, swearing in. The same Imam Madam that told people that whoever are going to contest for office of APM must be somebody that PM must have introduced to PLA. So there are some things that the man has done that doesn't add up. And working with IFA in Finland makes IFA in Finland is another suspect. For those of you that are saying, our people in Finland are trying and working hard. I'm not here to tell you that they're not working hard. But it depends on what they're working to gain. What is the motive of Madam? What will Madam gain by positioning himself that whatever people are going to take PM, he will have access to it? Why must he do that? If you can answer this, then you know that you are actually following what is going on. I see some of our brothers, I see some of us in the comments. I'm not going to call the name, please. As in, if I greet you, and we have IMC, yeah, IMZ and IMZ Kicks. I think your name is new to me. And we have a Edith in the building. Makaike is also here with us. Godwin, Emeka, I greet all of you. Ekachi, I greet you. Ekachi, Ndewo, and who again? Franco Koye, of course, I said my greet to you already. Oju Gochuku, Ndewo, I see you. People, I see you all on the comments. Please make sure you like the video. Very, very important. Very, very important. Just a moment. Sorry about that. From time to time, I will move my mic to clear my nose, just to clear my nostril. I told you yesterday that I'm very, very strong, right? So I have not discharged my strength. I'm still enjoying my strength. You know what I mean? All right, so let's continue. I'm going to continue with the voice, with the message of Lasuba, because we don't have time, honestly. We don't have time. I struggled enough to start off this program on time, but I didn't meet up. I did not meet up, so please bear with me. We're going to manage it anyhow, the way it is. Listen. Last is now reminding that even Imam Madam have not visited PM, but also we're macro one place now. They dictate they can visit Obato and they visit Obato.
To Finland, the answer is no up to today. Imam Madam never go and see Obato. You just visit Obato in a prison.
Okay, now for.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Every job they work, I could say because he was what you was. It's a number, this can hit a number in the Finland. It's a number today. Tapo was it. Why not name on every year on airport today? Oh, no, make us say for the accessory day. Clear more. Now you're SCRC. The one that I bet you been from a Tobie. Go, you have to see the from a Tobie. I can want a mamma dabble. Why you mamma that bet you from a Tobie since after young? Since that Robert Obianga, the mama that was in Finland. Answer my question. Hey, this is not easy to see Robert Obianga. But I don't capable organize protest to Robert Obianga. If I was your number, all I get to waste someone again. It doesn't see because from today, there's a Colossian number gets here. They will drop out the number. There's a Colossian number in the Finland. Now from one day to
Last time actually exposed the criminal tendency of Mamadab and Masakwa here. The madman admitted. He actually exposed their criminality, even though she's also mad. Sometimes there are this type of mad people that normally in the village that we be telling you the truth, secret, revealing secret with the attitude of madness. You know what I mean? That's what I felt Lazarus is doing here. Listen, you are going to enjoy this.
Because of your fucker. You have a table where sick you see that I don't know what happened. You think that the mama mix down.
If you don't think about it, if you don't think about it, I got pata.
You want to have social media and they post to the high half of this program.
Oh, the go.
In a post that I have this program. Why did you sabotage this protest? Why are you sabotaging it?
Oh, Joanna,
you wouldn't spoke much.
At all. I agree with this you on the phone. At all, I will go Chacha.
I'm what piano. I'm what piano. Since that Robert Finland, have you go to Finland? He wasn't for the court. Take your didn't go.
Last time I want to give you a gaga na court. No, she can't catch up here. That time, Mazapa was a man drunk. How we kill two aside that time, that day. Because every kill got two aside. On a while, no, she can't catch up at that time. Not since I reached out Robert Bianca, a Ganagafia. Man, this is the same man who na rant on social media. Daily stuff and they gonna for Batobia. Each and I know Batobia they go 24/7. Oga Begafia. No, him a Zoom meeting. Remember that when I fire we will phone gapo na meeting. Remember that no according to the last one. Oga Be the final gafo Batobia. How could nafu? Man, that one they ask score, they rated their scores. They quite get it.
Never go and see him. But I just get more kind of prison. This propaganda. This little part but then also all you phone on
Hello. Hello. Before job.
Now somebody mama will know as soon as this now so far na banko. He makes sure that Simon is not alone. Happy family, they make sure. Who is the mama Dabu? Who is the mama Dabu? Ngo Guma Samu, wife you know. Very useless woman things. Who is the mama Dabu Mama? The mama Dabu just go here. Since that Yanga, the mama Dabu and goes on a base okay. What did I just here?
Ikuku nage bada so kuku ega kuku nage. Imana anekwe nka site another one. Either because your boss or your leader is ikuku na. Ikpo other leaders. Or leaders or ikpo go that other leaders. The question of ikuku nage na lead ogago ka fu PM. Ogago. Is tata beneka. Igana ka fu PM. How many of getting never because una me fan Google or when never me fan Google. Please, if you know what is called the Google in Igbo language, please put it on the comment section. I want to know. Kama mama na gane relate. In our different nego. Thank you so much, Ezin wife. God bless you for your super chat. Mazekai, the good Lord has sent forth his word in Psalm 107, verse 20. To hear you, amen. My brother, thank you so much for your super chat and your prayer. I say amen, I claim it with my faith. Thank you so much. You always, supportive, very, very supportive, and I appreciate you for that. God bless you, sir. There were Charles Richard. I see your comment. David, I see your comment as well. Please. How many of you know that Locust? Locust, is that what it's called? I think I always forgot the name of this Google. Somebody says Locust. I don't think it's Locust. Google. What is the name of the? Some time ago I asked this question, and then after the program I searched for it. But the name is always kept my mind. Let me quickly check if that is Google. What's it called in English language? Google. Oh, it's Google. What Locust? Let me see. It cannot be Locust. It can't be Locust. No, Locust bo banana. The Locust bo wow banana bo. How will I? Is it something Magnite? I wish I can see the. I wish I know the name. I would have just shared the screen for you now, for people to know. Ọ na-ayụkwa ọsụ ịma ife bọs ọ na-ayụkwa ọsụ ogwugwu na-ayụkwa ọsụ ọ bụrụ ada eri eri afụbeghị ndị because na nke a na ndị so I don't want to caterpillar. No, it's not caterpillar. Termite. No, not termite. Termite bụ mkpu na ọ bụrụ termite. Don't worry. No, Igube DJ. Don't worry, please don't worry. I don't know the name. It's okay. Let's continue. One of the, if I see the name again, I'm not. I think this person, somebody have gotten the answer. Praying met. Hold on. Let me just. I think that is. I think all the king with the name. Also the Cardinal Matisse. I'm not sure, but I feel like this one could be more closer to that. Exactly. Thank you so much. Praying Matisse. Oh yeah, boy, I can Google. I can boy. In Gosigana, you guys saw if in Gosigana, they get to if I can about the Google Nekumakia. Because if you not wear a bone. What do you call this in the Igbo language? Because to the best of my knowledge, what you call it is Ogugu. Let me see if I can share the screen. Easy like super. I'm not easy like easy like super. Bo that to Google. Check and go see you. Kamalo if I this thing. Check and go see you now. You go see him. Na my brother all the me biology of ma come check out for you could with this answer. You got it. Where's my studio? Okay. Please don't be offended. Those of you that will be angry that I'm that is Charles Richard. Respect. Now let me share the screen so that you see that praying metis. Okay, I hope you can see it now, right? Is it coming up? No, it's not. Please, can you see that now? Let me remove the name. Or if I can Google. Please, give me a bone. What do you call this this ant or this insect? What do you call it in Igbo language? Madam Origin, yeah, praying mantis. Exactly. You see this thing. Don't find this woman if I find about Abraham. What do you call it in Igbo language? Margaret, what do you call it? I thought if I actually go here, not she. Oko. Somebody say Osibo. Hold on, let me learn this language. Ochogu in my place. Ochogo, okay. If I not be able Google. Osuokpo. Osuokpo. Okay. Is Igbo na no. So ngwa fana go Google. Oh yeah, Google. Easy easy lazuma. I beg, let's continue with our program. Let's go back to the program. I'm happy that I am able to, we are able to, share this. You said now. Hear this, please. Let's continue.
Somebody give a foot here. When you say, Mama, 3 Mama, who does that?
Where?
Because when you're not snacking Mama, my Mama can never allow anybody to go and see her, but to go and walk here. I don't know. Only my plan. Because I want to Mama Dabu, if Papa told you for the whole Biafrans and the different land, but when I'm naturally for Batobia, get for Batobia. Now I'm the able for this. Never to know what they say. But do you say, but this man get up, and I kill you to
Ochogo. Okay, I was telling you about the encounter, the experience of Oluchiwago. Do you know that why going to prison with Ifai? Okay, Ifai was busy interrogating Oluchiwago to know which group that he belonged to. Guess who he called Biafra Unite in presence of Oluchiwago, telling him that the man is here. Then you ask yourself, how does that concern Biafra Unite? Even all those things, if you have somebody maybe probably from your town or village that is in Finland, in the upper hand in Finland automatically. If I have somebody that come from let's say my place, my village, that I know that reside in Finland, of course you'll be relating with me, telling me things. Maybe Biafra United and IFA is somehow related. Otherwise, how do they? Just like the recent comment people are sharing and talking about Kenena. I don't want to discuss about it, but how did Kenena manage to have the contact of IFA? I don't know. But my only mind, I believe that it could be that IFA may be from the same place from the Kenena, something like that. Because his contact is on the social media. But current concern, whether Ifai is a brother to who do we even regard as most innocent or good man in Igbo land today? Mazamaka used to be, but some people are now making him look bad, and now I don't want to use him as an example. Okay, just use any name that people that if you hear their name like Ojukwu. Forget about that guy, about half of the man. But if you hear Ojukwu, every sensible Nwaibo will pause with respect. That name, Ojukwu. Even though you may not be related to Chukwu, don't make Ojukwu. But if I see Ojukwu, my brother, my sister, just the name Ojukwu. Look at me, it's not changed for me. It's not going to change. And I will also let my children to know that Ojukwu is a name that if you hear the name, you pipe low, you understand. Or that easy. Ojukwu after why in an account now with property that worth in billions in dollars. But don't use Lego. Oh, when the Chineke to go send Igbo, I forget you. But we still have the that always tear them down. But we can stop here by giving your support to the person, as long as the person means good. No. Anyway, let's focus on the program. What a government has support. The same thing in Biafra United is telling you. The same thing. My daughter said that because it always supposed to fight, but also quick. Osirike.
We mama that we choose. Do you don't like it? Who do you tell? Or was it like that? You don't know to get a change the Fabatopia. Go and see Fabatopia. You don't know to go on about the change of Fabatopia. Go.
Okay.
There's some was on the best. Come on, open the that. But all their hope to Fabatopia.
So, imagine. Why is your imagine? Please, I will know name in the comments, and I think this name sounds good. Negelengele. Somebody said that they called it Negelengele. It sounds like music. Negelengele. We called it another person. Is it the same person? Okay, the same person. We called it Negelengele. Okay. Greetings, that's a Princess Mercy. Princess Mercy. I greet you. You're welcome. You're welcome. What the Guanaka or Keke man? Been a while. Useless woman. Why it because I'm telling you why I go to Cambodia. Why this woman did done because I'm telling you what they be get you a touch it the day I can touch. Well, I was zero. For where just voice because there's voice not voice in the Maya. It would change anyway, let's go back to the program. Connect it to because I know that sometimes somebody not gonna get for Batobia. Don't know just no one place now it dictates the guy for Batobia. They say the mama that be a pass mark. That's why God pushed Olushua God to visit Finland. Because all of us would have just sit one place, believing that Obatobia, see them as the right people. A man on a faji actual relevancy. Ndojo. Have you seen this man about the question of Rubin Nade? Mogago for Batobia. And that's Mama Sam, not Mama Sam. Mama Biafra, get about Mama Biafra. I don't know. Came on my phone name. Oh, yeah, Mama Dabaga for Batobia. Oh, Iba no airport, if I go and or Kahabia. I don't know some careful the mindset of some people. It was our opportunity with it dictate equal election results. If Mahmoud is a saint. They're gonna just to visit somebody in a prison. Can't have people to do that. You send the opportunity even if they can elect chairman or maybe if the election results, something that can change the country or easier this way. Imagine I swear that even Nigeria can look at a paradise. On the parade around if and who is poisonous individuals. They get. Oh, that one no shock you. It shocked me.
No matter the differences we have had in the past, here and Biafra Unite and these people, we have had a meeting. Together with Biafra Unite. So, this is concerned. We can never fight about
people this program, they said the Biafra Unite is idea, and you know there is so much because it rajas it. It lies what I so would take care. Now, why did you make this program? Not because program in the cage you are talking. Go stop. And where we are as and the question you did. Why is it what I believe you waited that meeting?
Okay.
Why is it what we did? Why is it someone or one super castle?
Sometimes so queer and about. Or to find I think yes, no man. That's a baby. He could not think before you go, you could brag on social media. If you know, but Ibrahim no he knows that place. He never video. Chief go video gaff ebe dey no dey say or will even one black something that year go to the in a room. Every check maybe I will upload that video again. Lazuna, don't try it, but we know why we're in Finland and you brag about it. So I give it to you. You are far better than Masa, 100%. You are far better than Ugo 247, as long as VCPM is concerned. Because these are the people that question DPM without questioning their balls. Okay? In the finance, so Monday night, what if Ghana? Now, Gonzo are best na USB from Gonzo, USB and Gonzo, no fake. And then from A to Z, all the facts be able to PM. Man, guess who they are always shouting, carrying their name? Gonzo are best. Fact, I can Gonzo what about what if man, the name they cannot do without calling that name. Oh, yeah, people can win this. Like we get. Confirm. Oh, okay. Apart from me, again, you got one man and friend, and the chief gonna you enjoy that moment, didn't you? You enjoy the moment. A woman can do. I'm not coming if you to go after woman. I don't know. Please. I had a community signal. Yeah, nigga, woman outside. No say kind of what to say. I don't say anything. What I say now, I talk.
Protest. And I under to Fernando to the crib, Finland. It's Fernando to go to the business for their Finland. Over to be at the end, as no, Onya, or to it to hold their France. He said, the Rubia from come to their Finland. Who I choose to be at the protest in Finland? Who they mamma the apple? I choose to be at the Finland, the protest.
The same thing at US name. Oh, you are not a member of IPOB. How dare you to question the leadership? And the presidency. Go from Buhari Canon, one man or even for presidency. The presidency, like now, a group of people. The presidency. And I'm not organization, but using it in practical terms, I'm not the possible. In the presidency. Oh, no, Buhari Canon, APC. They will tell you, SDS will tell you that you are not a member of IPOB. You are not a member of IPOB. But when it comes to fundraising, their friends come and donate, bring your money, go to the zonal meeting, but to ask them how this money is being spent, they say that you are not an old member, but you collect money from non-old member. The same thing in Mema Madaba and Mema Masakwa is doing. Masakwa is busy now preparing his way or go get relocated to 100 men. Opush go BLA now to equals the Fabo ESN. And there's no way Mazakwa that don't know who involved in that push. There's no way. But since it's not yet out, we are gonna keep it, pretend that we don't need him. Oh, that's how they roll. Even Lazuba Negokwa. Lazuba Awago Foundation because the banner to 100 men group of mass American. It is actually good if they can do that, because sometimes this kind of thing will bring deliverance. What do I mean by that? The moment you begin to understand that you have stayed overwhelmed, you cannot continue with the reality and intelligence that USB government, are putting in the movement. You want to be stagnant while pretending or deceiving people that you are moving somewhere. It's entirely your business. But we have outgrown that kind of senseless argument. So whichever way they want to come, our eyes are actually wide open. Listen. Abio. Lazuba.
This protest, because it has to do with PM. This protest concerning anybody, there's nobody here who will fight about this protest because it has to do with PM. So we are together, no matter how we are fighting before.
Why you didn't organize it? Why we have a protest? Didn't
Exactly, Princess Mercy. Both of them are.
Can you do that? And by your consent. Now, everybody. Actually, if you don't want to snap and I the other to protest. You don't want to snap and I need to leave the whole France and Finland another protest. I don't want to put France Nanya the other to protest. In the back, in our support to the protest.
All right, so I want to use the opportunity to encourage you, those of you that have access or you are financially, you are buoyant enough to, you have what it takes to go to Finland, please go. Because according to what I was told this morning on my comment section, that the protest will be on 4th, while the appeal court will be on 5th. So now I know why PM support that protest. It could be that PM he just want to see Omwani and Olapo in our time. So he just want to see that, and telling you to come for the protest will also help you to be in the court, the day of his appeal, and that will help. That will make Finland, the entire country, to know that there's appeal going on in the nation. So the awareness that will generate is spot on. So if you are one of those that are feeling cold, that because IFA is involved and this people are involved, please don't cancel your ticket, go to Finland. Even if you don't, you have not, buy your ticket, please get your ticket and go to Finland. Be there. It's not gonna bring anything negative. Rather, it will bring positive, and that will help to expose the lies of Mazi Akwa and Imam Madabu. How? You can actually ask PM if you have access or see things for yourself. You can even decide to spend maybe 4 days in Finland and have time to go and visit PM in the prison after the trial, or maybe PM will be free. You never can tell. Instanta, and you can then hear from PM direct. So please, there are so many positive things that will come from that. Don't hesitate to do so. They will.
So let me tell you something, Papa. Look at me very well. Also, if I don't know what now, but Finland, they are going to protest. It will be important. And they protest, and the Finland, they will not to be an idea. Also, you have to happy work on them. Some of these are the action. Mama, I wouldn't know that Mama told us we have to protest. If Mama was that Mama told us that the fair the protest, they make sure they with a mother from 1,000 people up. Can you see man, mother 1,000 they protest and I call them down. Over to the Bamson, my afro, the protest, I don't know, be the if Mama Dabu deny Biafra in the protest, who want to wake it? You destroy the protest in Dako. The same Finland, who be buying on Finland, who buy the product protest.
It's a lie. It's a lie. That's it. Us nobody was up there for name. So on the one Nigeria, but there protest organized. Just hear yourself. Now, even if validate up good now, you're actually exposing yourself. Anyway, I get one of getting me good now. That's not the culture. Guinea, do not there.
It was what you were confused man. But for this protest, all of us must be together. And I myself and definitely with these people. We have had a meeting. Anybody listening to Gozo Raboese, I just pity for you. If I round up.
Now, I this criminal. Anybody listening to Gozo Raboese, I just pity you. One of the, I swear that this guy were.
Why I say this in
Hello.
Ima mada bi fe go na eme ka ọ na-eme. Oge ibu oge kere na eme kwuru niile na-eme. Kedu ibe dị iche n'ibe ndị a na-eme? Gwa kedu ife dị iche n'ife ngozi ọla bụ eze na oge nkere na ụnụ nwa na-eme? Gwa ife dị iche. Ima mada bụ eze bụ ọbata obi na prison. Gụwa ofe ababa never go and see ọbata obi na prison. Mana ihe ahụ na-enye condition ndị ya eche. Who does that? Esi ukwu na kwesịrị ikwu n'ụzọ ya si na-agwa agwa na ntị don't care. Ya na-agwa ụlọ mma na-agwa ya ụlọ.
Why that Imam Madhab is in charge of anybody visiting our prime minister? You have never seen Ngozi Oronbesi come on social media and begin to rant that they visited our prime minister, that he visited our prime minister 6 times or this and that, blah, blah, blah. Yes. The moment Ngozi Oronbesi come out and start talking is when Olewunne and one man that visited our prime minister last week visited our prime minister. And Imam Madhab was not aware that that man visited our prime minister because he did not go to Imam Madhab. Yes. Rather he called Ifeanyi.
That's a lie. He did not call Ifeanyi. I'm happy that you confirmed that he did not go to Imam Madhab. You have confirmed that. Okay, I didn't actually ask him. Or confirm go here.
And Ifeanyi introduced him to the father of our PM and made that man to go and visit our prime minister. And
it's not true. They are the one that called you a god. And we heard that you are coming to Finland. Have you told to Imam? He asked him, who is Imam? You understand? God did not call. Mana due to no fake can on bongo, or America in a up nepa. Okay, we are going to open up nepa. In a different accord.
That man visited our prime minister. Ngozi Oronbesi now raised up from nowhere and begin to talk. Now the protocol that our prime minister gives, that is an order.
The reason why they're not happy with the DPM talking because Nasha or an level and I watch a master professor na level.
Is that anybody that will come from outside country to come and visit me must go to Imam Madhab. Why? My question now is this: why did they find you to breach the protocol that our prime minister gave? Because this is an order. That now should come from any government. It may have been a mistake. That mistake has been corrected. Whatever happened, that one is not an issue now.
Criminals. There's no protocol from PM. That's why the guy breached it because he knew that he's one, and him and Imam Madhab are making that look like a law or look like one of the rules. But we're not determined to. Finland have a website that you can apply. Do you understand? Once PM approved it, you come and see him. Not Imam Madhab. Not Imam Madhab. Then what is the intention of Ifeanyi and Imam Madhab to for knowing who is coming to visit Obatobi or not? Are they also in prison? Are they inmates or what?
But even now, the PM have told them whoever wants to see them now must go to Imam Madhab. Must go to, except if the person is in Finland. Except if the person is in Finland. That is what I'm saying. Because that man now was not in Finland.
You see, the only thing that is here, our PM.
Exactly.
Nobody will go and visit him again.
Exactly.
Only you decide, only you general, only you go to PA.
Okay. Okay, Nana.
I say I disappoint all of you. Now when we are in the career now to now I don't disappoint. We can't disappoint Google. Now by break. But what only I don't disappoint. I don't get it because of maybe disappoint. Why you quiz open to me? So yeah, continue now to disappoint you on now. Editor disappoint. Just weak. Yeah, they know call respect. Or you like a call, or you like I can't help you. And I can never be when my life leave and they can't live your life for me. That's all. I won't know take me pay YouTube or me pay Facebook. Where your own program will to see where my
period.
I don't know. I'm on this message, you know, about because
they told that man to call to call Imam Manab. That man said that I'm a cabinet of US that I can never call Imam Manab, and I've already bought my ticket. Then the man now went from back and meet the father of our PM. The father of our PM asked him, why didn't you call Imam Manab? This is all that PM. That he has to beg the father of our PM.
And I say, this is only a place like I guess Papa Banato. Only I'm led he stayed in one on to us.
To come and visit our PM. Do you know that in the embassy program last week or this week, that man was there saying that going to do protests, our PM is not important. Okay, you see. Do you know? So now the same Ngozi that is pushing his member to go and visit our PM so that he has tangible something to say or something to present to people online. Now went through the back instead of going through the normal place.
This Ifeanyi is the one in Homeland. You can identify in media. Mama had three court or one. Oh, again, a doctor again, Mama. Oh, Yana go to 2,000. I don't know. Or you join for because now be fine. Oh, Ngozi is trying to bring something to present on media. Ushi Dignaya and those shall be figured. So DPM want to have something to present. Or no, that Francina guy Finland called a represent. Only go present by Koluchu God. Only go present. Dara. Alloy they use. That is honestly. She can better maneuver. Anyway. Bah. You can go on the matter. You can go. It's what you can go on. Original one. We are gonna wind down now because of time, please.
They are supposed to go through. Then Ifeanyi now present himself, go through the back as well. Instead of insisting that man must go through Imam, because I think that man go through Imam, this thing wouldn't have happened. Then Ifeanyi now went through back. Is it not Ifeanyi that the Ngozi places that are today is putting Ifeanyi?
Let me tell you how stupid they are. Maybe not one and this rubbish. Also, that you are not perfect. Adam is not perfect. Adam is perfect. You want even men and to see better than this is trouble. They are they in a comment section or send the legal link. Adam is perfect. People like this car and Jema Adam perfect. And the more
ask no even that this is here.
Only they can be so we are distracted and work complete. Now I come back in. I want to be interested again. Let's just on me then Naza on now. I know.
Now present himself, go through the back as well. Instead of insisting that man must go through Imam, because I think that man go through Imam, this thing wouldn't have happened. Then Ifeanyi now went through back. Is it not Ifeanyi that the Ngozi places that are today is putting Ifeanyi, saying all sorts of better against it? That picture that. Go ahead.
Let me tell you something. All we're going to know is not came Mama de Abu with it. It's not came Mama de Abu. He found out because no Mama de Abu Yakofati. Not a Mama de Abu with a power on your send them with a document. They say, oh, you got many years, no one. Or we Mama de Abu, or we Mama de Abu. Because if you could not be waiting, if you could not be there, we can't change it. Some people they come up to buy a cup. Imam Madabo on the gun radio, come be a good on Imam Madaba Yabakafaje. Yes, Imam Madabe, you put the phone there so not the government. Only so na cabinet, yeah, that's now that's dividing 100 times cabinet, J. Formatopia. Or what I put Imam Madabi, number one, Imam Madabu the way to me. Oh, when Imam Madabe, they go to Formatopia now. I think yes, Imam Madabu never go and see Obatopia since Atrianga. Since Atrianga, Imam Madabu never go and see Obatopia. The second on Gozo La Besson, the second on Kill him. On the country woman and then you know, decided nobody for teach and Gossi, okay, kill it. Imam Madabu. If Imam Madabu, they make and Gozo La Besson, they can never do that. Only when you keep him on in the hall. Check it. Say to go to me, protest that don't have Obatopia. Nothing. Donation and that in sabotage everything. Woman are gonna protest here for umu today. They would see not. I cannot can't. Oh, when I say Mamma, I go for my Toby and I seem good and fine. At least told you go to fear. Now, no, fear that a Mamma Dabo was in a Tuesday fear. Somebody had a better for me. Somebody had a better for my Toby. Who do you choose the other fear? Who does that? Rubbish. None against you. Who want to envy and jealous in that?
Okay, why is our people like to break protocol?
As it is in law, if I come up and out of the PMC, which knows what I say. On one to Finland, one to the Finland, a one the Abuja Kale on a DP. People be now going and get because my block I see Finland. How will they see anything what is with Fanya? A mama the Abu well water. Where's Sabatobia that nobody will come and see him again? No, I see to ya. I want my dad when you put in. What I'm going to Finland though. Why is it not a top your with the dancing or dying one my dad? Still, and the money can get out for Abatobia with our with Mama with that Mama Dabo. And if we are people not powerful, people stand by you. Many days one hand of that place. Can somebody, Mama Daba, they forget? All would not about to be an age of GTA. Oh, what a walk one in the law. Somebody at the best way you're not there for it. Or you're not already to put this kind of nonsense. Nothing that I weigh in our walk in our one time. Yeah. Not again. Even when you open the one mother. And it is so young, whatever I never put it. New Camela, not race. And when I want them money to come for protest.
All right. So sorry that I'm gonna cut it here. I just want to write on this. The reason why I allow it to play, at this any part because I don't want to. We don't have enough time to play it to go deeper on it. But let's just hold this little word for now as we come back for fundraising. God bless you, my people. Take care of yourself. See you again. Udo the rule. So, like I said, we're gonna come back again, please. Okay. I'm not gonna keep on hanging on this. Take care. Bye bye for now.